any dessert here, guys? You want cheesecake, chocolate?
Our crew certainly expects that we will experience some of the delays from those work crews as we go through today. So we'll try and keep you posted.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments I'll begin making my way through the train to do dinner reservations for this evening. I will begin doing dinner reservations in the sleeping cars. So if you do have sleeping car accommodations, I do recommend having one member of your party available in that sleeping car accommodation so I can make that reservation with you. After the sleeping cars, I'll go through the coach cars, and the last place I'll go to will be the upper and lower level of the lounge car. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we do have a very busy train today. So I apologize in advance if I'm not able to get you your first, second, or third choice seating times. I'll do the best I can to get a time that works for you. And once again, folks, if you do have sleeping car accommodations, please have one member of your party available in that sleeping car accommodation so I can make a reservation with you. Once again, welcome aboard. Please stand by for dinner reservations. Thank you.
This is where we start going through the beautiful Glenwood Springs Canyon. The viewing will be off to the right side of the train, and we'll be following I-70 through the canyon. Now, several years ago, I-70 was reconstructed. A little bit of trivia that you might want to know is the Pullman Company designed and built the lounge observation car, very similar to what we have on the train today, for the passengers going through this canyon. They're the ones that asked for it, and it was designed by the Pullman Company for viewing through the Glenwood Springs Canyon so the passengers could look up out the ceiling and enjoy the beautiful walls along the Glenwood Canyon. Okay, 31 minutes or so to Glenwood.